So today I'm making sugar cookies. So let's get straight into the video. So for the ingredients, 2 egg yolks, 250 grams of flour, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, quarter of a teaspoon of salt, 120 grams of granulated sugar, and 150 grams of butter. So guys, I'm back and now we're going to put in the flour, the 250 grams of flour. Make sure you put in all of it. There you go, that one's stuck, so I'll just leave it there. Now let's put in the butter. There you go. So now it's time to mix it.
So little chef, are you making a dough?
Yes. That's why you should use the swirling one if you're using a mixer.
Okay.
Try to get everything like all squished together. Let's get that butter down.
Go on.
So now guys, we're going to put in the egg yolks. It looks like I have 1 egg yolk, but the other one's been squeezed. So there.
Okay.
Now it's time to put in the sugar.
Okay.
So guys, let's start mixing it. I hope this goes well. Oh, I can see it's getting more yellow now. With the darkish. Guys, I think this would be the perfect recipe if you're making this for Christmas. So guys, once you're done, you can turn your mix off.
Yeah.
So guys, now it's time to put in the vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon. So guys, now we're going to put quarter of a teaspoon in of salt.
Yeah.
See, that's about quarter. That mix it.
Alright, little chef, what are we doing now?
So now we're going to put the dough onto the, first sprinkle this flour.
Yeah.
Yeah. Make sure it goes around.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah.
So that should be good. So it doesn't stick. So now it's time to get your hands in there and start making the dough. So first, so guys, I'm putting it in.
That's so big.
So we're going to start making this dough with our hands.
Pepper. Oh, that's so big.
Yes. Finished kneading dough, so now it's time to make it flat into a pizza. So let's.
So go on, little chef, so you managed to get a dough ready with some help. So now you're making the cookies, right? To bake, shaping it up, right?
Yeah.
Let me try.
Good.
Let me try.
1, 2.
Right, you made some, little chef.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna make some more after that, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So we're going to take these out and we're going to take the edges off.
Take it
Okay.
off.
It's much easier, I guess.
Take it off.
Okay, so brother chef wants to help me, I guess. He's just taking.
Go on, little chef. The baby chef, brother chef helped you, right?
Yes, you ready to put one in?
So you put them all in the tray now, right?
Yes. So we'll see after we put all.
Your cookie of heart shapes and different shapes, round shapes are all ready, right?
Yes.
So what are we gonna do now?
So it's optional. You can put it in the freezer she wanted to bear sheep, but now.
For 30 minutes.
Yes. So.
But you didn't, right?
No.
And what you gonna do? How much you gonna put them in oven, right?
Yes.
So for how long?
107.
15 minutes, right?
Yes.
And Mark 3.
Yes.
117 Fahrenheit.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Let's do it then.
Okay.
Okay. Close the net.
Close it. And now it's time to wait for 15 minutes.
What are we going to be making while the cookies are baking?
We're going to be making the icing.
Okay. Go on.
So first we need, last time, when the egg white here,
Yeah.
1 egg white, then 190 grams of powdered sugar,
Yeah.
and then half a teaspoon of lemon juice,
Yeah.
and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, which is optional. You
Okay.
could do any extract.
Okay.
Yeah.
So guys, it's time to put in the egg white
Okay.
and the powdered sugar. Very powdery.
Go on.
So guys, it's time to mix it up.
I want the sugar.
I bet the egg whites are going to become so fluffy. Maybe. So guys, it's time to stop the mixer. Time to put in the vanilla extract, half a teaspoon. Ooh. That's it, and put the rest. Half of lemon juice.
So you put in half a lemon juice now, yeah?
Yeah. That's good. There you go. So guys, it's time to put the blender back on the mixer. It's like ice cream.
Okay, is that ready?
Yeah. So guys, we took this out of the oven. We did 15 minutes extra because if you never put in the freezer, you have to do it 30 minutes. So we're going to leave this for 5 minutes to settle down.
Okay, so you bake it for 30 minutes.
Yes.
If you don't put in the freezer beforehand for 30 minutes.
Yes.
Right? Okay. Brilliant.
So guys, you can see how crispy it is from the top and the bottom.
Yeah. So, little chef, are you gonna put the icing on the icing you made?
Yes.
Okay, go on then. Go on.
So guys, now I've put the icing. I made a smiley face.
Yeah.
So now it's time to taste it.
Okay. How does it taste, little chef?
Nice. Very sugary. Especially,
Yeah.
I have to say. It turned out so good. I have to say this, I have to give this a 10 out of 10. That's how good it is. That's why you should always try my recipes.
Are you not being biased? No? No, yeah?
No.
So this is a true reflection of your cookie.
Yeah, it is true. I never knew what bias meant. Yep, it's true.
It's true reflection of your cookie.
Yeah.
Come on, give it to a baby chef, see what he says. Better the chef.
No.
You don't. Where is yours?
Here.
Bring yours and taste.
Okay.
Okay, so the baby chef's gonna bring his.
Yeah.
Yeah, he took one with icing
Yeah.
and he's going to give us a verdict in a baby language.
Yeah.
How is it, brother chef? How's your cookie? Nice.
Yes.
Did you like it?
Yes, I have here.
You have it here.
Yes.
How was the icing?
Here.
Yeah, icing nice.
Okay, have a piece
Have
of
another taste.
have a piece of the icing. Okay, looks like he's not in the mood.
No, he's in the mood. He's taking his time. Go on, brother chef. How is it? Nice.
Yes.
Delicious.
Delicious.
Yes.
What do you give this? 10 out of 10?
Yes.
Oh, you give 10 out of 10.
Yes.
So, should people watch your brother's recipe?
Yes.
So,
Huh?
so you said it's time to tell our subscribers
Yes.
to subscribe and like and click the notification bell for all our notifications when you get a new video.
Yes.
And we see you next time.
Yes.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.